In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the Wi-Fi is not working on your Oppo phone. Now first of all, just open the control center on your Oppo phone, and from here just tap on the airplane mode icon. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just turn it off. And by doing this, you will do a quick network refresh on your smartphone. Now just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to settings, and under settings just search this. Now just tap on VPN, and from here just check if there is any VPN network connected with your Oppo phone or not. If there is any VPN network connected with your Oppo phone, just disconnect it from here. After you do that, then just go back, and in the main settings page just search this. Tap on date and time. Now from here just check the date and time on your Oppo phone. If the date or the time are incorrect, this can cause the Wi-Fi not to work. Now just tap on the time and set the time manually, just like that. And similarly, just tap on the date and set the date manually, like that. But what I recommend is just enable set automatically. And by doing this, your Oppo phone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. After you do that, then just go back, and in the main settings page, just search this. Tap on Reset Phone, and from this list, just select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and after that, just select Reset. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your smartphone. You will just reset all the network settings of your phone. And once this process is completed, now just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your smartphone. To do that, just press and hold the power button on your Oppo phone. But if the power button of your Oppo phone is set to launch the digital assistant instead of the power menu, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And by doing this, you will open the power menu. From here, just swipe up and select restart. Now after the restart process has been completed, just connect your Oppo phone to your Wi-Fi network and check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your Oppo phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi not working issue on your Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.